Hello and welcome. In this video I'll show you how to pair any Bluetooth headphones to your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Okay, so the first step would be opening up the settings on your Samsung, and here find connections and find Bluetooth. You can also do the same just by opening up the quick panel and holding your finger on the Bluetooth icon and, for example, pressing details, but you don't have to do that. Here you have to wait a bit until you see your headphones and just press on them, and they will appear here as long as they are in pairing mode. In most of the headphones, wireless headphones, you just have to hold the power button for a few seconds and you will hear a distinct sound that will indicate the entering pairing mode. The same goes for these Sennheiser headphones. You just have to hold the power on off button for a few seconds and it will enter pairing mode. If we talk about the little headgear, for example the AirPods and stuff like that, you just have to read the manual because they use some gestures to enter the pairing mode. So if you enjoyed this video and considered it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.